Look at this Ryobi deal at 54% off going on at the Home Depot right now. This is the 1+ HP 18 volt brushless cordless high torque impact wrench kit with two, not one, but two 4.0 AH bat rays, a charger, and a one-handed recip saw. That's right, you heard me correct, a recip saw. Not only that, check this out. If I come over here and click this free icon, you can see that a side window opens up and it's going to give me an option to pick another tool. So if I were to choose the router, hit select, watch this. Come down here, add both to cart, and my total cost never changed. You can see it's still $279. Not only do I get the kit with the high torque impact wrench, I get the built-in one-handed recip saw deal, and I get the router. And you can look right here, all the money that they knocked off, pick up, free delivery. You can see I'm saving a total of 60% off of all my items. That, my friends, is real nice like. But I got even more. But what's cool about this is they have a bunch of different configurations. If you look over here, this is the high torque impact wrench. You'll get the jigsaw with it. You come over here, this is the drill and impact driver. You'll get the jigsaw with it. But check this out. There's a ton of different ways you can do this. If you scroll down, I mean, you can get a free tool or two. It's gonna save you a little bit of money at the end of the day. I'll leave a link in the description below and make it a little bit easier to find this page. Check this deal out. I like this way better than some of these other deal channels are showing you. This is an upgraded set, not the old school drill and impact driver. You're gonna get the HP brushless for the same price that you would get for the old school that a lot of other people are showing you. But look at this, $99, 45% off. And you also get the free gift. If you click on it, what is it? Well, there you go. You're going to get another free high performance. It's the top of the line when it comes to Ryobi. $89. You're going to get that bat ray with it. That's why I always say, if you want to go watch these other deal videos, go watch them. But they're not giving you the best of the best when it comes to tools. That's what we do here. We're power tools, hand tools. Get subscribed. Hit the bell notification if you want to save that sweet, sweet money on actual good deals. Here's another really good one that if you pass this up, you loco mine, because you're never going to find deals. This is the time to buy your bat rays. You're going to buy one, get one free tool. So you're going to get a two pack of 4AH. Check these out. Now, these are not the high performance batteries, but that's fine. These are still an awesome, awesome buy. If I drag my screen over here, you're going to see that I can pick one free tool. So I'm going to get those bat rays, and then I can scroll down and pick the grinder, the circular saw, one-handed recip saw, the jigsaw, the oscillating tool, the one-handed chainsaw, multi-tool, and more. So awesome, awesome, phenomenal buy. You can figure this is $149 by itself. You're getting it for free if you buy the two bat rays. Now, if you do want the best of the best when it comes to the Ryobi technology and their batteries, check this out. This is never going to be a deal on the off season, only around this time of year. Look at this, what I got going on for you. You're not going to get one, but two. You're going to get two of them, but one's a 4AH and one's a larger 6AH. 50% off at $139. That's a phenomenal deal. Now, you're not going to be able to pick a free tool, but you do get these two high-performance batteries for a very good price. Now, I showed you this once in a previous deal video. If you're a subscriber, you wouldn't have missed that, but I'm going to show you again because this is a phenomenal tool. It's a portable air pump. If you need to pump up your car or truck tires, basketball, swimming pool, toys, whatever you're doing, it is now 32% off at $24.97. I have this and it is fantastic. It takes the 18 volt batteries, super portable, super light, super easy to use. Anybody can use it, and it's one heck of a stocking stuffer idea. At 32% off, $24.97. That's a fantastic deal for that tool right there. All right, so let me show you one more that I'm sort of surprised that I found, but it's a really good deal, really marked down a lot. If you're looking to get into the electric battery powered mowers, this might be a chance for you to get in. This is the newer, came out I think last year or 2 years ago, the new 80 volt HP. It's not lead acid, takes two of the 80 volts up here and I believe a couple 40 volts. Long story short, this thing is completely battery operated, and you're going to get, which looks like to me, and is super real nice, like a bagger as well. But check out the price drop on this thing. You're looking at hold on, I'm going blind. Yeah, $1,502.34 off at 27%. Now, 27% might not sound that much to you, but when you're talking those types of numbers and that price, that is a lot of money. And if you didn't know, those two batteries cost $900 a piece. So this is a really good deal. You're getting two of those. This is what you're going to get, just to make sure. 18 volt HP brushless, 30-inch bat ray electric cordless zero turn mower with two 80 volt 10 AH batteries, charger, bagger with boost. And one more thing, in case you didn't know, this is the joystick model. It is not one of those big zero turn with the paddles. It is a zero turn with a joystick. So it's like playing a Nintendo game. I have the 54-inch cut. I love it. It's fantastic. Does its job. And again, for everything you're getting here, I think it's a fantastic buy. Now you can find other deals here and there for Ryobi, not Ryobi, but we don't like to bring you the 5 to 10, the even 15 or 20% off. We want those big deals, and that's why you should hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any more deal videos coming to you, because you're going to save a lot of money. Also, what tool brand would you like to see deals on? We'll put them together and get them out to you. Leave me a comment in that sweet comment section below. And if you really want some cool stocking stuffer ideas for the person that's handy around the house, check out this video right here. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Back more videos soon.